Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how to fix problem when you just tap on unlock on your Mercedes key and actually only one door, so driver's door, just open. And actually for opening your passenger door you just need to tap on this button again. So for fixing this issue you just need to tap on lock button and unlock button for 6 seconds. So after you will see 2 times this red lighting, so just 2 times. So after you just need to release your fingers from this lock and unlock button. So after it will lock and unlock all doors by one tap on unlock button. So you can also try it and just check that this thing works. So you just need to tap on lock button and unlock button for 6 seconds. And also you can do it if you want to open only driver's door. So you just need to tap on lock button and unlock button for 6 seconds. So it works in 2 sides. So if you want to open all doors with one tap, you just tap on lock button and unlock button for 6 seconds. And if you want to to open only drivers, you just, it's like switching. So thanks for watching, goodbye.